So you have bunions and you're looking for something to help either keep it from getting worse or help make it better. Right off the bat, it is very hard to make bunions better. Most of the time, when the toe has moved and the bunion has formed, there's nothing you can do to get it to go back to the way it was before without doing surgery. Now, surgery is very invasive, so we look for options to kind of assist in relieving some of that pressure from the toe moving over and just keeping it from getting worse. So a good thing for that is this guy. So this is a bunion aligner kit, and it comes with several different things that you can wear at different times of the day. So it's kind of the whole kit. It gives you something for during the daytime and for at nighttime as well. So first things first, we will start with daytime. So during the day, we have these guys, which are little toe spacers. Now, the toe spacer you would put in between the big toe and the second toe with this soft jelly piece sitting on the actual bunion itself. So it's going to keep the toe separate, and it's going to provide some protection for the bunion so that the shoe itself isn't rubbing on it all day. This is just soft jelly material. So that's number one. Number two are these little socks. So with this, you basically want to put your toe in here first. The hole goes on your nail. So that's the top. So you would put foot in, toe in, then you loop this around your ankle, and all it does is it pulls this way a little bit. So it kind of keeps the toe over and provides some resistance for us, so that it doesn't go this way. So that's what you do during the day, and you can wear these. I would wear this underneath of your sock. You can wear this too if you want to. You just have to layer everything. Then you can wear them inside of your shoe. Now for nighttime, you get the brace itself. So this is the brace. It has a hard plastic piece that basically goes against the bunion. You then loop this around the toe itself, strap it in, tighten the straps that go around your foot, and it basically keeps the toe, again, this way. It's not letting it collapse this way because it's got this rigid piece here that's going to stop it. It does have a joint in it, so you can move your toe still, but you ideally want to wear this when you're not wearing shoes and you're not walking around a whole lot, because it is kind of cumbersome. So you'd wear it like to bed, and it's going to keep that toe separate. Then we have this guy. So this is basically for toe exercises. So you would loop both of your big toes in, and you're just going to want to pull. So again, we're getting it to pull the toe this way so that it's not letting it go this way. And that's all we're doing. And you can use those. It's just a preventative measure. Like I said, it's not going to solve the problem, but it's better than it getting worse. And if we can keep it from getting worse, we'll probably keep it, hopefully, from needing to go for surgical intervention as long as we can.